What is the issue that you're facing? Can you please share your
Yeah, I will
screen?
share my screen actually. That would be easy.
Mm-hmm.
So I have done this quite number of times, but still it is not showing as completed. And if you see, I have sent a screenshot as well yesterday in the group. So yeah, one thing here, like I'm back and back on this question. One minute. So I just submit this, complete this course. Complete the module. Yeah, and
Wait.
I'm not able to
This
click
will
here,
ensure
but
you receive completion of the course. This will help us with better design experiences. Can you scroll up, please?
actually gone through everything.
No,
Even
no,
if
no,
I
no,
check
no,
here,
no. Just scroll in this page. Scroll down.
scroll down.
Yeah. Scroll down. Yep, scroll down. 20. Module complete. Okay. So after exiting this module, please fill in the survey feedback. Okay. Scroll down.
Yeah, there is nothing down here
Okay.
now
Exit
to
module.
scroll. Exit module. Yeah. So I'm getting this and then I cannot navigate. But
Click on
now
next.
if I go here, it
Click on
still
next.
says
No. You should click on next.
okay, that also I have tried.
Okay.
See this one?
Please view previous required content. Okay. What is this certification? Like, what is the certification all about?
This is developer foundation. I was picking module by module, but I was doing orchestrator.
So this is orchestrator, or can you please show me? Click on full path. View full path. Yeah. So
Okay,
click on start.
one second,
Uh,
one second. Pragati, can you resume again? Just go to
yeah, it
resume.
will again show me the same question that I have
One
not
sec,
submitted.
one second.
So I'm again back here.
On the
No,
left
no,
side, see that's
I
90%
think it's
completed.
not it's a 90%. Yeah, you have to fill the feedback survey, I think.
But I'm not able to fill that. That's an issue.
Scroll down once.
Yeah.
No, on the left side. Scroll down. Let's see if we have all tick marks.
Yeah. Even Bajrang, I have done all modules again, like, just to make sure that I have not skipped anything.
Okay. Check your understanding is completed. Complete this module.
Yeah. 1 minute. It just. Oh, it won't go.
Okay. Go to the left on the screen. Go to the left. Scroll down.
Yeah, there is nothing
Okay.
here now.
Scroll down. Let's see. Scroll down.
Here?
Mm-hmm.
This one?
Yes. Okay. Click on next.
Click on next.
Okay. Please view previous required content. There is some previous required content that you did not complete. Click on close. Click on exit module. Okay. View full path. Okay. So orchestrated developer diploma completion. Diploma of completion. So this is orchestrated certification, right?
Yeah.
Click on start once. Okay. So can you go back to view full path or cancel this? Yeah. Hide this.
Okay.
Hide full path.
Yeah.
Okay.
View
Click on
full.
close.
Close. Okay.
Orchestrator. Okay. Scroll down. Mm,
Just go to relate. I think it's not completed because it's a 3 hour course. So
Yeah, I have done that.
so it will take 3 hours, right?
More than
No,
3 hours it has
no, no.
taken me.
It doesn't depend on that. It will not work like that. Even if you can complete, you can complete in within 10 minutes also. Even then you will be awarded. Click on course curriculum. Let's see. So
And
just
if I
wait.
go again, it
No,
will
no,
again put me on 15th
no,
question.
no. I understand. No,
Okay, I close again then.
we cannot resume. 3 hours course is completed. Feedback survey required. Can you click on start here?
No.
Okay. Can you go to the top? Click on close. Go to the top.
Close.
No, no, no. Go to the top. Diploma of completion included. Orchestrated for RP developers. So can you go back and leave this one? Can you complete the diploma for diploma
So
course?
where do I go? Because it's again asking me resume the
No, that's
courses.
fine.
It's not showing as completed. That's the problem.
That's fine. Leave it. So go to courses once. Course.
Courses. Okay.
Yeah. Courses.
Courses. Okay.
Academy. Check for developer RPS starter.
It will be starter.
Okay. Check with different thing. Leave it. Check with product training. Product training. No, don't go for this. Give me the access to this once.
Yeah.
So what I suggest you to do is go by role. Okay. And in that you're trying with okay, citizen
Yeah.
developer.
So I have
You
tried with this RPA Developer Foundation. Yeah, this one I was doing. And from here I picked up Orchestrator first.
okay?
Yeah, so if you scroll, I think it has not been clicked. If you have to go above again. Yeah, so this one, a little more up. I think it will be first one because I have scroll. Yeah, scroll above. It will be here. Foundation, where it is gone, Orchestrator.
So if you see here, you need to
Mm.
complete all these courses like data table, everything.
Yeah,
Then
that's fine. I was thinking like, I can do Orchestrator first. I wanted to, but then not able to finish that one.
okay. So go ahead and complete these. So to complete orchestrator, you need to complete the basics. I think that's what is
Oh,
not
okay.
allowing
That's
you to complete. Just try
hmm.
it once. Maybe if you are able to complete it, because every time there will be a new issue. We cannot say that this is the only issue that will have a solution, and we have the
Okay,
solution.
because I have put that in Slack as well for the academy, and somebody has replied with the same thing that they are also facing same issue.
Okay. Just wait for some time. Maybe they will resume or review it and they will update it.
Yeah, okay, no problem. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Okay, so let's go into the training. So I want two dispatchers today, and remaining members can be performers. And Soumya, since your machine is already created, uh, can we use your machine as dispatcher? Okay, I want one more dispatcher from the gens. Who it can be. I want someone to have give their access to orchestrate access to others.
Yeah, I can do that if
No,
that's
Pragati,
okay.
you will be a performer.
Okay.
So what about yesterday's interview? We spoke a lot about yesterday's interview. Rahul.
Yeah, actually it's today at 10 a.m.
Okay, all the best then. So let's go. We cannot take Rahul's machine because it's very slow. Anyone who has a good machine with speed? Sonam, you are already allocated with performer live in Soumya's machine. Sorry, in yeah, Soumya's machine.
Mm,
So
No,
Prashant and
I don't think so. I don't know.
Prashant and Praveen, can you please check? Were you able to do that?
Yeah, yes, Bajrang, I can do that.
Okay, please share your screen, Praveen, and please give the access to remaining members. Others who don't have access to Soumya, please ping in Praveen so that he can give you access. Go to Orchestrator. Please drop in your emails.
Yeah, sure.
Others, please drop in your emails in the chat so that Praveen can give you the access. So, what you can do right now is I will divide you in teams. Team of 5 members. So Pragati, don't give yours because you are already allocated to Soumya. So Soumya, can you please give me a list of members who are already there in your orchestrator? Only 3 members? Do we have only 3 members? Okay. So Praveen, you need to go into admin panel and then you need to add users. Give
Yeah.
give the access. I think Ganesh already asked for the access. Um,
Admin consent.
go to users, organization settings, org settings.
Yeah.
Okay, not here. Accounts and groups. That's where you need to go.
Yeah.
Rahul gave his ID. Okay, just to pull in invite users. Check in the chat. You will be able to invite 3 members. Sonam is asking for a request, so please you can give it to Sonam. Okay, so what I can do is I will divide you into 2 teams. Let me just break out in the rooms.
What kind of role can I give Bajrang?
You
for
can
them?
give admin. You can give admin. That should be fine.
Okay.
I'm just checking on breaking out into rooms. Just a second. Just check if that's possible or not. Yeah, breakout rooms. So how many members do we have in today's meeting? Just have a quick look. 11 members including me. So I'll be wandering around. So let's create 2 rooms. Manually. Okay, so Soumya, can you please tell me how many members are there in your room, in your orchestrator? So what are the names? Okay, Pragati, okay. So you can remove Basak's access and give it to someone else. So Maha, can you give it to Maha?
Actually, Maha is in my group. Bajrang.
Okay, so I'm not giving Maha access. So Akash,
Yes, sure.
I'm giving you to first group. So how many members? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, one more I can add. So Ganesh. So who else is left? Rahul, are you in which group are you in? Okay, let me just check, and I will assign, and then we'll go with it. Okay, let's see. Assign to room 1. Okay, I'm assigning you to room 1. You will be moved automatically in 3 minutes or 1 minute. Assign participants. Cancel. So room 1, so you will be moved into room 1. Room 2, yeah, you will be moved automatically. Just check in with the names. Okay, so we have Maha 1, 2, 3, 4. So Prashant, you are sharing the screen, right? Sorry. Who is sharing the screen?
Right?
Prashant, you are sharing the screen, right?
Praveen here.
Praveen.
I think
Okay.
Praveen is sharing the screen.
Praveen, whom do you have access? Whom have you given access to?
Ganesh, Maha,
Okay.
and Rahul, Sonam, and
Okay.
this one, PJ, Prashant. Yeah.
Okay. So I'm assigning everyone to room 2.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm opening your room and you will be moved into room 2. Hello everyone, can you hear me?
Yeah, hi, Prashant. Yeah.
Yes.
So you
Hi.
need not be silent if you ask me. So what you need to do, I have already sent a broadcast message. Have you received it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So first read all the data table, send it to orchestrator, create a queue and send it to orchestrator. Once you have it, uh, then create performer to get the data one by one from the orchestrator. Everyone can execute at the same time, and I want you to save whatever the data that you have in the specific content into your local machine Excel sheet. That's it, nothing else. Is
Now everyone should do both dispatcher and performer as well.
you are a team now. You can decide how you will coordinate. That's fine.
Oh, okay.
I need one dispatcher because if you create one performer, everyone will be able to execute it. I don't want to have everyone separate performer. Okay, be a team, work as a team. Okay, I'm leaving this room. I need to join the other room. Okay.
Vajran,
Yes.
this is Sundrali here. Actually, I'm not able to run that job. Just I'm trying.
Go ahead,
From
Raleigh. Go ahead. Find out the issues. If you find out the issues, then you need to find out the solutions as well. That's fine. Share your screen and let the team know.
actually, it is saying could not find any unattended robot permission in the current folder.
Exactly. So you don't have unattended robot, so you need to check with Soumya's machine, and you need to see which type of access do you have. If you are connected with unattended robot, then change it to attended robot. You have 3 licenses that's available.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
So
Thank
even
you.
one person is not able to do it, others please help her. Or if you are not able to work, you can help others while sharing the screen because everyone can do only one code. Not everyone cannot do a separate codes here. Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead, make it quick. We have only 15 minutes or 20 minutes of time. Then I'll pull you back in the group.
Okay.
Thank you. Guys, can you hear me?
Yeah. Yes,
Okay.
Vajran.
So one person is creating a dispatcher process. So simple. We have RPA samples website, right? From there, read the complete data table and add it to orchestrator. That's a dispatcher process. And others will consume it. Like we need to. Everyone can create only one, and collaborate and create one process. And you need to consume that queue using RE framework. So dispatcher need not be an RE framework. Okay.
Okay.
Dispatcher
Okay.
can be a simple workflow where it reads and updates the item to orchestrator queue. Performer need to be in RE framework, and once you consume it, you need to write it in the code should write file in individual folders, or if you are running, then it should write in your local C drive somewhere. That's how you need to code it. Okay. All the best.
Yeah.
I'm just moving it to other room. Okay, guys, please unmute and talk. This will not work if you are silent.
Uh, Vision, from queue, we just have to get the items, or we need to do some action.
Just get the items and copy the items in Excel. Like the Excel data. For example, if Maha is running, Maha took the first queue item and its VPN service. That data should be written in Excel. That's it, nothing else. I need a notepad or Excel, anything, but I need some data in your local machine. Got it?
Yeah.
Can export that. Please
Yeah.
export.
Yes,
Don't
Vajran.
go
I
for
have.
export. That will not work. You just go for data scraping.
Yeah, sure, Vajran. I have one doubt, Vajran. Here in this, I have invited, like it shows pending means, are they joined?
Yes, all members have joined till Rahul. RP developer Sonam did not join and PJ did not join. You can
Okay.
invite them.
They have to accept the invite, then they will be able to.
How to go back? Okay, at this one.
So don't think too much on licenses for now. Go ahead with the code. You can check with the licenses later. Any one person, if you have the license, you can execute. Okay. See,
Actually, for me, it's not. I'm not able to run the job actually.
Wally is not able to run the job. Who is sharing the screen?
Sundaral is telling. It's maintaining.
Who is sharing the screen?
Me. I am sharing my screen.
Soumya, right?
Yeah.
That's fine, Soumya. Let's go ahead. See, all in dispatcher process is simple. You create a simple workflow. Use attach browser directly and scrape the data and use for loop or use bulk upload items to add it to queue.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. Yeah.
Simple. Make it quicker and make it fast. Think quickly, guys.
Like since she is having issue, we were looking at it.
No. You should be thinking on code, not with the licenses and all. Leave about the licenses.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, everyone has to create. Any one person can
One person
create.
is enough, right? You need to help her. If she is making any
Okay.
issues, you need to help her to resolve it. See, she navigated and she went back. Not sure why.
No. The sales opportunities did not come, right? So I thought directly I'll do. Okay. No.
Others need to talk. See, I will not talk because we are good with 5 days or I trained you for 5 days. Now you are a team. You need to work. Make it faster.
Okay, so firstly we will do open browser and open this, and then we will scrap the data.
Yeah, doing that.
Once we have scrapped the data, we will put that in Excel.
We cannot directly add to the orchestrator.
Soumya, check with your power laptop. I think that will run out soon.
Okay.
Sorry, who was talking? We can access the orchestrator, but we have to make this project first and then publish it as a package to orchestrator.
Okay.
Mistake. There is a bulk upload queue item option. Why don't you use it? See, this is where practice matters.
Sorry, Vajrang, one thing. Are we not going to check for the condition quantity?
Nothing. Go ahead. Check in performer.
Okay. So we have to just make sure that we have created the queue. Samay, you have created the queue?
No, I have to create. I already done it. I don't know why it is not showing now. I already added in the dispatcher and the queues, but now the queue is empty.
Queue is empty. Okay.
Actually, it's there. I think.
There are 3 workspaces. Workspace shared, checked, and everything.
We need to search in everything. Okay. Oh yeah, here it is.
Yeah.
But the problem you will have here is if you are creating something in your workspace, then others will not be able to access. You need to create that in shared.
Okay, I'll do it. It's all simple only, right? I'll do. What is there?
Put this queue name in double quotes.
Think robo is not connected.
Yeah, I already have created this one, dispatcher. Do you want me to publish?
It's connected already. I'll run once.
No error frame. Yeah.
Yeah, it's added.
Excellent. Now create a RE framework performer. So if you want, you can create, others can guide, or else someone can do it. That's fine.
Pragati, are you doing it?
Okay,
the
yeah,
performance?
I'll do that. Yeah. So,
Can you share your screen?
Sure. Just share.
Okay, I'm leaving the group. I'm leaving the call. Please continue. What's up? First team have already created. Okay. You're not quick enough. Okay, simple way. Read the complete data table and use bulk upload queue items.
Okay, sure.
There you can use and there you can send 100 items at a shot. Make it quicker. First team has already completed and they are working on performer now. Why are you reading the range?
No need to read range. No.
Read data table. Sorry.
Add
No,
bulk
actually,
queue item.
Make sure the queue is created in the shared folder, not in your personal folder.
Yeah, sure.
Because if you have it in your personal folder, then others will not be able to run their performers.
Yeah, sure.
And the robot is not connected, I guess. There is a robot error. Can you please also check with that?
Yeah.
I think studio license is not given. You have created this with unattended robot, I guess.
Yeah, please. Okay.
Remove unattended license and log in with your credentials. That's the easiest way. Access to denied error redeeming SSL connection could not be established. See inner exception. Learn more. Click on learn more.
Yeah.
I think you don't have enough licenses. Whose orchestrator is this?
Praveen.
Okay. Who's sharing the screen?
Myself only. Yeah, Praveen only.
Okay. Then you should have the access, right, Praveen?
Yeah, I have, but not sure why it is showing like this.
Others,
I
please
have.
try to connect with Praveen's machine. Just check in your machines, see if you are able to connect. Praveen, what you can do, go to admin.
Okay.
Okay, for every user, go to users, access groups, accounts.
Okay.
Yep, change the robot groups. Edit. Yeah, edit.
Okay.
Okay, press cancel. No, that's fine, that's fine. Group memberships, you have licenses, I think that's the problem. Go to tenant.
Okay.
Open the home default.
Yeah.
Okay, there you should have something called licenses. Give me the access ones.
Yeah. Yeah, I have given it.
So you have one unattended runtime, that's fine. Testing runtime, two unattended, and so you can use these attended and developer. That's where you are able to. You can have it. So orchestrator, process launcher, we have licenses, named user, robots and services. Okay. Organization settings. No. So everyone is an org admin. Administrators. Okay. So everyone are added to this group. That's fine. Why don't you go ahead and create this with unattended robot? Let's see.
Mm.
So go to orchestrator, go to machines, create a machine. Do you have credentials?
Yeah, I have mission. Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
add that in shared.
Okay.
So you have, I think that will be in tenant. In tenant you can create a machine. Okay, whose machine is this? There are too many machines.
Yeah, desktop. This one is mine.
Okay, copy the key and create machine.
Here I have. Okay.
Go to orchestra. Go to your assistant, and paste this.
Sorry, where was it? Sorry.
Assistant. So let's try to sign in from here. Let's see if you're able to do it. What is it saying?
Interactive connection flow, error loading, discovery document, error connecting, the exception.
Okay. Then you do one thing. Let you be the give your code, copy and give it to someone else.
Okay.
So others, if you are able to come get the access, can you give run this code in your machine?
Okay.
So service URL machine key. So let's go with the orchestrator URL. This is the one.
Yes, Vajra. Yeah, mission key is also correct.
Connect. Okay, this is connected. And let's go with studio because you're running with unattended license. I'm not sure if you will have studio access.
Okay.
Yeah, I think you got it now. Let's go with default.
Yeah.
I think you need to change this. Yeah, see, you still have an error. But try to execute this bot. Let's see if you are able to execute it or not.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, executed.
Check in the orchestrator queues and see if you have the items. So
Yeah.
what you can do is go to Shade
Okay.
and link queue from different folder. Add a queue. Add queue.
Okay.
Link from a different folder, and from default folder copy that. Select that item.
Yeah, sure.
Click on continue. Yeah, now others will be able to access. Go ahead and others consume it. So I'm disconnecting from the call. Can you guys can complete performer as well?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, please complete it. Consume it with RE framework. That will be easier.
Okay.
Control V you can put here.
Yeah. Get transaction queue item folder path. Okay. Output.
What are you doing?
Output.
Oh, can you please tell me what are you trying to do?
We are accessing the data from the dispatcher. So using the dispatcher, we have already sent the data to the queue, right? So
But
now we are
why are you not using RE framework for this? That is the main agenda, right?
We are using that.
We have
We
opened it
have.
and we don't know where to do it. So we thought we'll do it separate and invoke it in the main.
No. Go to config. Just you need to give the name. That's it. Nothing else. Go to config. Config in Excel. Excel config.
Excel config.
Yeah. You don't know where is Excel?
Yeah.
Go to project folder. Open data. In that you will find config
Oh,
file.
okay. With that. Okay. Yeah.
See, this is the beauty of RE framework. Only you need to give the orchestrator queue name. That's
Data.
it. Nothing.
just refresh it. It will show the Excel if you have added, but you have just added to the config.excel.
We need to give the
URL. Queue name?
Settings.
In
Go
the
to
settings. In the settings.
Understand the process. Go to settings. Yeah. Change the name.
okay. That's it.
That's it. Go to process and add a write line or message box, anything. You can consume it right away. No need to change anything in RE framework.
Don't we need to get the transaction item?
That's everything is
specific
done. The
content?
code is already available in get transaction data. In process, you will get one transaction item. You need to use it. That's it.
Okay.
Open workflow.
Invoke workflow. Okay.
Open workflow. Can you see what is the argument type here? Argument. Yep. See, get transaction item is already available. Okay. Use append range activity.
Which activity, Bajrang?
Append range.
Or you can also write for now append line activity. Yeah. So you're writing it into a text file, and the text file you can give specific content. So do you know how to do that? Anyone? So Valli.
Trans queue dot specific content of
Exactly.
that, right?
Exactly. That's correct. You're genius. Go ahead.
Uh, only that. Q RP. Why it is not
There will be no more queues. You will have only one transaction item in transaction item.
this one? Hello.
In transaction item. Yeah. What?
Be ready to fail. No, that's not a problem. Even if you fail, that's fine. Go ahead and do it. In transaction item, dot specific content
So
of key name. Key name will be go to orchestrator and see. Wait, open the item and see what is the key name.
um,
So
we
what
should
are we
get it.
trying to get? Count all the column names we will pick.
Quantity.
I want the implementation, not every data. So you can pick one item and paste it. I don't mind.
So probably account name. So Bajrang, here we can give either the index or name as well, right?
Yeah, we can give one also. I don't know.
Yeah.
I suggest not to do that because specific content will have keys. Give it with the key.
Okay.
Dot to string. Yeah. File name. Do you know how?
We have to.
Do you know how to get a current username? Environment dot okay, user current username,
There's
or
no
else
current direct.
no environment dot user dot just check for user. Can anyone guide her or check online and see how can you get a username from environment variable? Other should be the Google. Get environment variable of username, I guess.
User domain name.
Get environmental variable. Why it is.
Okay, leave it. Just give input.txt. That's fine. Go for now.
Get PW UID. Do we have like that?
No, you can search it later, but that will be an interview question.
What we are doing here, we are giving a file name of any
Exactly.
file or
Anything. Just give input.txt. That's fine.
okay. Shall I run it or that's it?
That's it. Your project is completed. Go ahead and run it. You're debugging the file. That's wrong.
Yeah, I thought I'll.
So try send system.environment.username. Yeah. Your project is completed. Go into input folder, input item, and see whether you are able to do that.
Just refresh it.
Yes.
Just click on refresh.
Refresh. No. Input text file, right? So it will be there in the project folder. Refresh. See at the bottom there is an input file, input.txt. Yeah.
Input.txt.
Is it done? Okay. So I am adding everyone to team 2. Let's surprise them.
Hello.
You guys are back.
Hello.
First team has completed. What about
Yeah.
you?
Yeah, we're going to complete Vajrang.
We
Yeah.
are good.
They can guide you if you want.
Yeah, sure.
Room 1 failed to close.
Sharing screen.
How many members are there now? Oh, I think 2 members left, Maha and Soumya. Can you pull them in? I will pull her in. Maha, Soumya, who else? Yeah, I pulled everyone in. So you can share your screen, whoever is creating the rough code.
Vajrang, this is being recorded.
Hopefully. Yes, it is.
Thank you.
I think Prashant's not the option. Okay.
Who is sharing the screen?
It was in Soumya machine. Soumya, can you please share the screen?
No, team 1 have already completed. I want team 2 to do it.
Actually, Maha is in process.
I'll
Maha
share my screen.
Soumya, you can share the output file directly in the text in the chat. That should be fine. So,
Okay.
how easy is it to complete with RE framework? Is it easy or is it tough?
It is
Everything is
easy,
available.
but I didn't understand like why we did not get a transaction item.
Because the code is already there. Okay.
We need to
So,
implement this A1.
yeah. So what the team 1 we cheated actually. We used append text activity, so you can use that as well. So use append line and write it to text file.
Here, can't we use counter and increment it?
No, we did not use any counter to increment because we are using transaction items. So by next week, since we will be doing completely on RE framework, so it will be easier for you. Don't worry on that. But yes. So Soumya, did you share the
Yeah,
chat?
I am doing it. You want me to share or okay?
Yeah.
Attach the file.
Yeah.
This team is confusing.
You need to get it habituated because in office either you use Slack or Teams. Mostly everyone uses Teams, so get habituated.
Okay.
That's the same reason I created Teams, or else I would have created Zoom as well. But normally we don't use Zoom in office, for at least for the conversations.
In transaction item, the specific content of account name in the text. Yes. File name like go to
TXT.
Yeah.
No. Yeah, these team 2 is doing something extra. So explain them explain team 1 what you are doing.
Vajram, are they doing the same workflow what we have done, or are they doing something different?
Same thing. So instead of writing it in static, they are actually writing the value in config and calling the key name. So anything you change in config, that will be reflected.
Okay. But they have used so many variables. I saw in the variables tab. Okay.
Hard workers. These are ants. They only do hard work, no smart work. Work smart. Execute. Okay. Again, they executed process file. Not sure how they will execute it further. And they have config also open. My God.
No, I closed it.
You need to run it from main.
Stop and you can run from the main.
Okay. My time for this training is completed. Thank you so much for being a great audience. And I want you to continue in this call. Team 1 should validate Teams 2 output and send me the report. Okay. And Team 2 should validate Team 1's output. Okay. Can you do that? Now, please continue doing that. I'm stopping the screen recording, but I hope you have a practical knowledge of RE framework now, how it's getting done.